Want to become a certified construction equipment inspector? Join CDG's Certified Construction Equipment Inspector, CCEI, course, fully online and self-paced. CDG is an accredited training organization. Our certificates are recognized worldwide. Learn to inspect heavy construction machinery, excavators, cranes, loaders, and safety compliance. Study anytime, anywhere, on your phone, tablet, or laptop. Earn your globally recognized Certified Construction Equipment Inspector certificate upon course completion. Ideal for equipment operators, safety officers, inspectors, and fleet managers. Ready to boost your career? Visit www.cdgtraining.com and enroll now. Don't wait. Start your construction equipment inspection journey today.